Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Clevertronics T8, T5, T12 test batten. Okay, now this is a batten that I got from the electrical store today, and I actually decided to make a test batten, okay, that will chamber a T8, a T5 and a T12 tube. And that's what this batten here is. Clevertronics offer T8 and T5 battens, okay, and then this is what it looks like. Okay, now this is a T8 and a T5 combined, okay. The ones that you would get will just be either just T8, T8 or T5, T5, okay, but this one's just T8 and T5 together. Okay, so this one here is what I'm calling a test batten, because I can use this to test T8 or T5 tubes out. Okay, so we'll take a look at it. So this is the batten right here. This one here is known as the FBS 218 or 214. Okay, that's what it is. It's just a standard. Now this is just a standard 240 volt. As you can see, there's no emergency end caps or anything like that. So it's just a 240 volt only batten. Okay, so there's no emergency function. Okay, and this is the T5 lamp holders for Clevertronics. Okay, you can see they got this adapter in here that fits into a standard T8 chassis here. Okay, and it's got this adapter to make it into the T5. Okay, so this is an F14 T5. This is an F18 T8. I also have an F20 T12 just to show you that this will chamber that too. Okay, now both tubes, of course, are running on a magnetic ballast, and each tube has its own switch. This switch here controls the T5. This one controls the T8 and T12. Okay, so, and of course it is concealed starters. The starters are hidden inside the chassis. Okay, so to replace them, you undo this plate, and then you can put new starters in. Okay, now with this one, to get the plate off, you actually have to slide it off because of these. Okay, these protrude over. To get it off, you got to pull off and then slide it off. Okay, so that's how you get the plate off. Okay, so yeah, and this one here does take the removable computer cable as well. Okay, so I guess we'll turn it on. Here we go. Now, of course, the T5, it just wants to come on instantly. It doesn't want to blink, even though it's magnetic. Okay, but the T8 one does blink a bit. The T5 one acts like it's electronic, because a lot of T5 battens now are electronic. They used to be magnetic. This one here is probably the only magnetic T5 one left, but it still works on a magnetic ballast. See if we can get this to blink a little bit. Oh, there we go, got a little bit of blinkage out of that. Let's try that again. Oh, there, end glow. Nice end glow there. Let's try that again. See if we can get some blinkage. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to get much blinkage out of this T5. It just wants to come on instantly. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of blinkage out of it that time. Let's turn on the T8 one. Oh, there we go. Blinked. Didn't really blink as much. Must be maybe if I try different starters, maybe I might be able to get it to blink. No, I got a little bit of blinkage out of it. Oh, there we go. Got some blinkage out of that time. Okay. Let's try that again with the T8 on and see what happens. No, not much blinkage. Yeah, I don't think it wants to blink, but we're getting it, but it works. Okay, so that's the T5, and this is the T8. Okay, LED tubes will work in this as well. I just got to change out the starter. So I guess we'll take this out and we'll put the T12 in to show you that it will chamber a T12. This is an F40 T12 tube. Let's turn it on. Yep. Oh, there we go. Pretty blink happy there. Got some blink happiness out of that tube. Let's try the T5 again. Nah, just wants to instantly turn on, doesn't want to be blinky. But yeah, that's T12. So this batten will chamber T5, T8 and T12 tubes. Okay, so that's the benefit of this batten. Okay, it's a very nice testing batten. Okay, and I'm going to be using it as just a test batten to test different types of tubes, T5 or T8. I have another T5 tube in the tub. Okay, that we can try out in this as well. Yeah, it doesn't want to blink for some reason, the T5. T5 is actually a little bit brighter than the T8, I'm noticing. I don't know why, but it just is. It is pretty bright, okay, for an F14 T5. Okay, but it works. So that's what it looks like with both the tubes running. Okay, get a side view of it. So that's what it looks like. You can see the difference in the thickness between the three tubes. This one here is so fat, that one there is not as fat, and that one there is so skinny. Okay, so this is an F14 T5, and that's an F18 T8. This does get a little bit warm, okay, but it does run, okay, which is quite good, okay. So there you go. So that is my Clevertronics test batten. Hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.